feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Dr. Ross, and this is my co-host, Black King Sebastian.
That's right.
And Black King Sebastian is obviously using all of the Jamaican products here.
That's right, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything, and such as I am also using all of the Jamaican products and clothing line.
Ja. Let's move straight into the She's Hot contest for today. Sponsored by Playboy International.
You know it
And
best.
as you guys can see, we have the new and improved model of the She's Hot trophy.
Exactly.
Now we know that you guys have seen the Oscars, but this is going to be called the Vixen. If someone would give me this, I'd take this over the Oscars.
Exactly. That right there, Black King Sebastian, is spoken like a champ.
That's right.
Let's get into the She's Hot winner for today. The She's Hot winner is none other than the scandalous saber-toothed tiger, and not only is that, she is the queen of scandal, but not the mother. That's Angelina Jolie.
That's right.
But she did manage to having 5 youngins at the house, didn't get married, because Eddie Murphy knew she was scandalous, and stole a husband from someone who had kids too.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. And she is the future wife for someone.
Exactly.
Nicole Murphy
Is our winner for today. We don't want to badmouth her too much because you know we love you, Nicole Murphy. You've been on our channel for a long time. We've been talking about you since the beginning.
That's
you
right.
are thick in the trunk.
That's
thick
right. And you're shaped like an hourglass,
Exactly.
a Coca-Cola bottle.
And it suits you right because you are a fitness model. You're the whole package, Nicole Murphy. Maybe if you didn't run the streets so much, you would be a 10 out of 10. You're already a 10, but you just need to get married, settle down with them 5 youngins of yours.
That's right. Let's move straight into our hot topics for today.
So I just want to talk about the latest drama that has been happening with Megan Thee Stallion. She's been the drama all year long, from the Tory Lanez issue when he got arrested with the gun arrest to getting shot at a party, and we just want to talk about what recently happened. So Megan Thee Stallion, if you don't know, she has her own vlog on YouTube. You know, she just talks about her life. It's called The Hottie World, and there's a lot of other female rappers that have done the same thing. Before her, there was Nicki Minaj, and now recently there's Sweetie. She has Icy's Life and the City Girls, and it goes on and on. Let me clean up this hot topic a little bit more. Megan Thee Stallion recently went on Twitter and she said, when she was doing an interview, that, you know, she has her vlog and that there's a lot of other girls that try to copy her, but they're not going to do the same because she is the original.
No! They're not trying to copy her.
Exactly.
If she thinks that people are trying to copy her so much, come to Rose and Gold.
Exactly. And fans were basically, I don't know why, but they're just trying to start beef with another female celebrity just so that they can have beef with each other.
Well,
but
the
they're
fans,
saying,
they probably have nothing to do since they're sitting at home for a while,
exactly.
just looking at the phones.
They were saying that she was shading Sweetie, and the only thing I want to say about this is, it is unproblematic Sweetie. No, she was not talking about no Sweetie. You already know Megan Thee Stallion is scandalous, and she's going to talk the best of the talk. Because, you know, that's what she does. That's her career. She's going to cuss somebody out without even meaning to talk to them. And we saw that when she went to the party. She kept saying, somebody hit me, somebody beat me up, and it happened. So, we love you, Megan. But
That's
let's get
right.
to our next hot topic. For our next hot topic, we have Carrie Underwood, says the country music legend once smacked her ass. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian? She said that she had the strangest backstage experience at the Country Music Awards. What are your thoughts, Black King?
Most likely, Dr. Ross, someone was looking at the junk in the trunk.
Exactly.
Who knows? She might be the next winner for the She's Hot contest. So, Miss Carrie Underwood, keep doing you and keep shaking what your mama gave you. Let's move into our final hot topic for today.
For our final hot topic, we have Hailey Baldwin masters the date night style in the perfect little black dress and the 5-inch heels. This right here is boring. Hailey Baldwin, you are an attractive young lady, but this is boring. So I'm gonna start. Exactly. I'm going to talk about one topic that will spice this up though. Teresa Goodice and her daughter. Her daughter just turned 16 and she looks like the vixen of the year. What are your thoughts about this, Black King?
She obviously takes from the mama.
Exactly.
Keep doing you, as well as she's scandalous and she's trying to go out there and, shake what her mama gave her. As well as be scandalous on the down low, run the streets.
Exactly. And I'm not going to lie to you. Teresa Goodice is one of those type of people that when her daughters are being scandalous in the club, Teresa Goodice is going to be cheering them on in the background while Joe is in Italy trying to scream and break another TV.
That's right. These were all of our hot topics, but let's move straight into our daily horoscope. Our horoscope for today is Libra. At last, you put an end to a dream and instead allow it to become a reality. The more perceptive side of your nature enables you to use all of your persuasive powers to convince other people of your plans and ideas. To all of our Libras out there, congratulations and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Libras.
That's right. Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll catch you on the next installment of Rose and Gold.
And as always, congratulations to our She's Hot winner, Nicole Murphy. Congratulations.
That's right. Congratulations on winning the She's Hot contest, sponsored by Playboy International. We out. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and Gold.